Today we are playing OG from
No, I wasn't. It was cheesy.
Meetup.
It was cheesy. I went to that hallway, then I came from long.
The person died here. Oh my god! The door opened.
Just imagine him having mod menus.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Front door's open.
Open it! Open it!
You guys are slow.
Look,
Oh my god, the bean!
I know where he is. I know where he is. Look, follow me.
Where? Where are you?
Only thing is, I ain't trying to find that bean, bro. Follow me.
He
Follow
don't know
me.
where the
Kill
bean
me.
is.
Let's go.
He don't know where the
You know
bean
what?
is.
Follow me.
He
Follow me.
don't know where the bean is. Listen to me.
What?
I won't you believe me?
We good.
Have fun and back.
First thing I see, by the way.
Oh shit.
Big fat bean, by the way, guys. You guys see him, right? Bet you guys get scared of him too.
No, me too.
I told y'all he was stuck.
Guys, open up front door. Open up front door. Open up. No, my pants don't allow me to be this loud, but we will be this loud. Got the public. Yo, guys, why is
Like
this
a loser he
so
is.
weird?
That goes open.
Niggers.
I closed it. I saved you. I'm being for I saved you, bro. Go. Oh my gosh.
Someone's trying to serve her wife. Like the loser
Someone
he
just
is.
saved me. Bless. I got you, bro. Thank you.
Somebody
Thank
go
you.
open that door.
I've been here for so long, bro. You haven't been joking? Full cheddar cheese, bro.
You guys be for real?
Me, by the way.
Oh, run. Coming forward. Don't look back.
This is actually so weird. Why is the bean always on me? Big black, big burnt bean. You know what? I'm gonna go and get him. Mod menus. These mod menus, bro. Yo, guys, this bean has mod menus. How the heck did he just teleport?
Get him unstuck, bro.
Oh, he's right there. I didn't see him.
Get him
Oh
unstuck.
shit.
You ran.
Oh.
Look back.
Where'd he go? He's coming the opposite way. Y'all might want to get out. Never mind. He's right behind you.
It's gonna open the door. Wait, guys, it hasn't even came yet. It's not there yet.
It's not
Red has
coming.
it.
Fine.
This
Me
red guy has it.
Bumbleclot.
Dude, open the back door.
Yo, stop cursing.
He's not opening. Open front.
Red, it's me. Open front.
Open front.
Red.
Yo, Red.
Red, I'm gonna tickle your toes at night.
What?
Bet.
I know.
Red, I will get your mom.
What?
Oh no, it's not there anymore, guys. Let's go explore.
I got him.
Congratulations.
Guys,
I don't care. Guys, we're cave divers.
Open the door, Bumbleclot.
we're cave divers.
We're cave divers, guys. We're cave divers. Come on. We need to mine the diamond ore. We need to find diamond ore.
I only have a gun.
I have if you hurt me,
I have a gun.
I have a chisel. I have a glow stick. I have a popsicle.
This is so peaceful to do monkey man.
Guys, come on, let's go kick his ass. I'm scared of a bean.
Yes, dude.
Let's go kick the bean's ass. We're grown ass men.
I already checked.
He's there, bro.
So he's only in death
You might want to run.
or long. I don't think he's in long. I think he's in death. Cause I just checked bean.
You guys are gullible.
Yeah, my good.
Where am I at?
You come on. Won this fight. About to do that to the B next round. I still want to run the fade, Mr. Beanie. I still want to. Just make him PvP, guys. You guys turned off his PvP, but turn it out.
Yeah, kill your. No, kill this guy. He tried to kill me.
Well, none of the children will ever be found.
You.
No,
I didn't.
Wandered away
This is
to
not
join the show.
This is not
Everybody,
it.
we're team Everybody, listen up.
World below.
Listen up. We're team
This
retards.
is not it. Mr.
Oh dear.
Come on, Mr. Bean. Way. Stuck right away. BTW. Have to get that. You have to get that BTA. I'm really about to give him that BTA. Me and my monkey. Monkey says today. I miss OG Animal Company. Just bring it back already, bro. Let's have. Okay. It's OG from Monkey / meetup / gamebug123 / Animal Company / grief. I will be griefing. Time to grief. This is gonna be so funny. Time to grief. Yeah. Grief these kids. So first you need this. Get this. Bring it over to stage 5. First of all, you want to make sure your lobby everyone's mostly in stage 5. Because, like, mines have to be at least in one spot. Because I don't see them. Listen, this is like an empty lobby. Yeah, this is an empty lobby. Hey, that's done. I just heard someone grappling. Sorry. Ready, 3, 2, go. Other than the public. See how I'm doing. Twist my head.
I mean, not revolver. Can I have some RPG?
I kinda just died! 6 people. Is that you? 6 people in here?
If you're so cool and you're so good, then why are you running? Bro, are you?
Ooh, looks like we
Who
got
said I'm
some
good? I
people.
just said I'm rich.
Looks like we got some good.
Bro, I'm probably rich. I have 8 mil. I have $1 million.
What happened?
I have 8 mil, but nuts.
Hi
Who cares
guys.
about your money? Who's breaking first? Do I don't have the rights to beg?
I don't know what.
Oh, what
Why?
did you
Sorry.
money?
Can I get back burns? Can I get the bug burns?
With money.
Thank you.
Code actually
Bro, watch this.
claim the game how
No.
it's supposed to instead of killing people non-stop. This game is about making money, not flexing your money, then. What do you mean it's not about killing me?
Right in your face.
Hey, this isn't a money-making game. You're supposed to make money. It's called Animal Company. That's literally just stupid.
You know what? You didn't even take it, buddy. You can't kill me though.
I got him.
No, you can't kill me. What did I do to you? You can't kill me. You can't kill
Got him. I got him. Yo, Red, I got
Yeah,
him.
you
I
can't
got
kill
him.
me. You can't kill me. You're lost.
Yeah, run away like you did again.
Hey, come on. I'm gone.
Runner.
Easy. You're so cool.
Yo. Oh, bad guy. I'm sorry. My bad, bud.
You're so fun.
I saw you huffing and puffing, bro. Don't say I'm buns. I'm so rich and I'm so important to every. Who wants to go with me? It's just a boy, little bit.
on, he left the game. Sucks. Looks like we goofed everyone out. Such as Miranda got grief.
I'm getting your items. I'm getting your items.
I want the mango. I want the mango.
Getting your mango.
Go to join the public. Twist your head to make it depending on where your Wi-Fi box is. So mine's just like right across me, like right in front. So I twist my head this way, and
Hey, 1 second. Let me see if I have anything else.
3, 2, 1, go. Looks like the right server to grief. Hello, Mr. Crab. This. What the heck? Man, fart and everyone's
But today, Sweem, we're gonna be twerking on Sweem.
grief too. I'm griefing
Monkey,
too.
we're gonna go on a murder mission. We're gonna be twerking.
You ready?
Now go! You can do your scream. Put away a gun. Put away your gun.
Get him!
Run, guys, run. Thank you. Yes, better. Get back here. Oh shit.
I got him!
Oh god.
Oh god.
I died. No. Run for your life! Run for your life! I'm ready! There's around 6, 7, I'm listening to music. For today's stream, we're going to be twerking for today's stream. Hey, this is our thing! Twerking? Yeah, we're going to be twerking for the stream.
I got him!
Get off of my shrimp! No. Doggy! We're friends! No. Leave me alone! I'm just kidding.
Oh, hello, miss.
I don't want to die.
Well, you are today. Yeah, run away like a good little kitten.
Fuck you, dog.
IDK. Shoot. Well, guys, should go out soon. Run! I believe I can fly. I believe touch the sky.
I'm not gonna let him put it
The biggest, the largest.
Yo,
Spawn yourself! Where's King Saddle? God damn it, my stupid fucking
get it!
Saddle, I need you. There's a dog, and Sharon, and I'm hiding from him, and I'm on the roof. Dumb, he didn't see me. Alright?
Why was this guy not respawning?
Anyway, who wants to melee 1v1 me?
Let's be
Damn it, you're running like that? Okay.
What the heck is that? What is that?
It's a flamethrower.
I'm a little...
You betrayed me. You betrayed me.
Oh shit.
You betrayed
No ammo. Fuck.
You betrayed me. You betrayed me.
Yo, give me ammo, please. They're trying to kill me.
I see a dog.
Get him! Oh
Holy Jesus, I just keep on shooting. I see you.
Juked.
Who stole everything?
I got him.
Motherfucker.
Server one grief. Server one grief. Yes, Mama? Server one grief.
The largest. The largest.
Wi-Fi box. Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe I should back up.